I've learned many hard lessons over the years about the importance of investing in high-quality outdoor gear. Now, I've always appreciated the philosophy of doing more with less, and I try to rely more on skill than on fancy gear and gadgets. But at the same time, there are many situations in which there is simply no substitute for having outdoor gear that is tough, dependable, and that will perform when you need it most, especially in merciless, unforgiving environments or in once-in-a-lifetime situations. One such lesson came on an archery mountain goat hunt on Kodiak Island, Alaska, many years ago. Now, as a quick production note, some of these photos and video clips are from the actual hunt, and the rest are from other hunts and other situations that I used to fill in the gaps. But anyhow, my buddy Clint and I spent the better part of 4 hours busting through the dense alder thickets and making our way up into the alpine regions of the mountains. After another long period of intense glassing, we finally spotted a group of mountain goats that seemed to be at least somewhat accessible. And so we stalked through the steep snow and ice-covered mountaintops to within bow range of a fine goat. The moment of truth had finally come. The mountain goat gave me a perfect broadside shot, but due to the snow-covered whiteout environment, I was not sure of the exact range. So I fumbled around through my pocket and took out my clumsy, cheap rangefinder that I bought many years ago at a local department store clearance sale. Upon trying to assess the yardage, I quickly discovered that my rangefinder was not operating correctly and was totally useless at the moment. So, relying on my best attempt to judge the distance with my naked eye, I released an arrow for what I thought was a 30-yard shot. The arrow went a bit low and grazed right under the chest of the goat, even shaving off a few hairs. But the goat just stood there, having no idea how close he had come to becoming a tasty winter stew. I quickly got another arrow nocked and tried to execute a follow-up shot, but the goat moved up and out of range, into the inaccessible areas of the mountaintops. Dang! The hunt was over. Hours upon hours of brutal hiking, meticulous glassing, careful stalking, and all the rest was totally in vain due to a cheap, unreliable piece of junk rangefinder that failed me when I needed it most. Now, obviously, training your eyes to judge distance is a critical skill, but when you're in a situation that demands absolute accuracy for ultimate success, a rangefinder becomes an essential piece of gear. So let that be a lesson for you, my friends. Develop your outdoor skills as much as possible, try to do more with less, but for those critical pieces of gear, such as your clothing, your footwear, and in this case, a rangefinder, buy the best that you can afford, know how to use it, practice with it, and take care of it. And when you need it most, hopefully it will take care of you. Now, if you'd like to watch a successful mountain goat hunt, check this video out. And if you'd like to see another disastrous one, then check out this video. I'll leave links to both of them in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.